Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 117th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. India South Asia provincial delegates discuss Salesian proposal for formation in a digital world. Social Communication Regional Delegate Father Ernest Rosario reports.
The provincial delegates of Formation and Social Communication of South Asia region came together for 4 days of discussion from the 2nd to the 5th of August 2022 at Don Bosco Institute, Guwahati, Assam. The main purpose of the meet was to study suggestions and proposals to revise the formation plan for Salesians. The meeting was jointly chaired by visitors from Rome, General Councillor for Formation, Father Ivo Coelho, and General Councillor for Social Communication, Father Gildacio Mendes. The theme of study was Towards a Salesian Proposal for Formation in a Digital World, Pastoral Ethics, Educational Ethics and Pastoral Aesthetics. This special focus was on the formation of digital natives and also to propose models for those in ongoing formation in the context of the digital ecosystem, which has ramifications at various levels. 39 provincial delegates from 12 provinces, 15 from social communications, and 24 from formation took part.
The 5 joyful mysteries of the Rosary narrate events connected with Jesus' birth and growth. The next 5 mysteries of light show the light of God manifested through Jesus. The 5 sorrowful mysteries recount the agony and crucifixion of Jesus. The last 5 mysteries narrate the resurrection of Jesus and the glorification of his mother Mary. The 20 Stations of the Life-Size Rosary Way is an ideal project for Jubilee Year 2025. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram, country code 919831020945. India's 16 sisters make perpetual profession marking 150th year of institute. Sister Eugenia Lalu reports from Shillong.
The Immaculate Heart of Mary, Shillong Province, celebrated 150 years of the foundation of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians on 6th August 2022 at the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, Shillong. Marking the event, 16 Salesian sisters from 13 parishes of Northeast India made their perpetual profession at the Eucharistic celebration presided over by the Archbishop of Shillong and concelebrated by the Salesian Provincial and many other priests. The motto that guided the preparation of the 16 sisters towards their perpetual profession was, "With courage and passion, we live the mandate. I entrust them to you." Present on the occasion were the parents and relatives of the sisters, some government officials, religious men and women from the nearby institutions, young people, Salesian cooperators and past pupils, numbering some 2,000 people. A short felicitation for the sisters and family meal were held at neighboring St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School.
Korea volunteers of Don Bosco increase in number. Spiritual Director of VDB, Father Rafael Lee, reports from Seoul.
More than 50 years after the first volunteers of Don Bosco, or VDB group, started in Macau, there are now 4 different VDB regions in Asia-Pacific region. Philippines, 40 plus VDB, China, Japan, 20 plus VDB, Thailand, Cambodia, India, 40 plus VDB, and Korea, 25 VDB. A total of 153 VDB. Korea region, or KOA, with 2 groups in Seoul and Gwangju, comprising of 22 professed members, and 3 aspirants are accompanied by 3 Salesian ecclesiastical assistants. Among the 1,213 VDB in the world, Asia-Pacific region is one of the youngest and fast-growing group. The VDB were founded by Blessed Philip Rinaldi, third successor of Don Bosco, in 1917. Today, they are present in 46 countries on 5 continents, 153 in Asia-Pacific region, 410 in the Americas, 610 in Europe, and 40 in Africa.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Papua New Guinea students' media productions screened at Film Festival. Abigail Seta from Port Moresby gives details.
The Social Communications Commission of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of Papua New Guinea hosted its annual Short Film Festival on 6th August 2022. Held at the Paradise Cinemas in Port Moresby, the films reflected the theme Listen, Do Everything with Love. Present at the occasion were General Secretary of Catholic Bishops' Conference and Salesian Provincial among priests, religious brothers and sisters, students and families. Some 180 people from 10 schools participated in the screening of 13 short films, consisting of 4 international and PNG films on the environment, 9 films by the schools that reflected the theme, 8 jingles produced by the students and recorded by Radio Maria. Secretary for Social Communications, Salesian Father Ambrose Pereira, was facilitator of the event.
India Salesian revolutionizes cultivation of paddy through mechanized rice transplanter. Father Francis Xavier reports from Panaji.
Salesian Father George Quadras got the idea to use machines for agriculture in Goa some 10 years ago when he visited an exhibition at New Delhi's Pragat Maidan under Don Bosco's Skill Development Initiative. In 2015, he could plant paddy on 4,000 square meters of land a day using machines. In 2022, he helps farmers covering 50,000 to 60,000 square meters a day. Father George's mechanized rice planting efforts are spread across Kuturi, Salset, Kepe, and adjoining talukas in South Goa, some 45 kilometers away from Panjim. Thanks to Goa's Directorate of Agriculture, which supported in buying rice planting machines, which has cut the overall cost to 1/3 compared to the expenses incurred on manual labor.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.